got this screw in the tire, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it out and patch it using a tire plug kit. First thing you're gonna wanna do is get out your tire plug kit and get this tool ready, as well as your plugs. Once you have your plugs, you can pull one out, and you're going to go ahead and put it inside of this tool here. All right, so we got that done. So that is essentially step one. Step two is going to be put that aside. Make sure you have your plug bond if your kit has it. So you got your plug bond. Now what we're going to do is actually pull this out, and then we're going to remount the hole and make it a clean hole to be able to patch. Okay, now that we got that out, there's the culprit. We're going to stick this tool in. Essentially remount the hole so we can make a clean hole. Once we have done that, what we're going to do is get our bond and put this on all sides of the plug. Now, what we're gonna do is stick this in the hole. Till the plug goes in. Once the plug is in, you're essentially gonna pull back to get the plug to stay. And boom, now we've put and plugged our tire. So now what you can do is come back and cut these two ends off to make it so it's more flush to the tire.